Hello, today we will guide you through how to find pending orders in Trading 212. Pending orders are instructions you've placed that haven't executed yet, such as limit or stop orders waiting for a price, or orders queued for the next market session. Knowing where to find them helps you stay on top of your portfolio and make timely adjustments. Let's walk through the process clearly and calmly. First, open Trading 212. You can use the mobile app or desktop browser. If you're on the web, head to the official site and sign in securely. On mobile, simply launch the app and unlock your account as you normally would. If you use multiple account types like Invest, ISA, or CFD, make sure you're viewing the account where you place the order. The layout is similar across platforms, so these steps will feel familiar whether you're on a phone or a computer. Next, look for the pie icon. This icon resembles a small pie chart and typically sits on the main navigation bar. Tap or click it to open the area that summarizes your holdings and tools related to your portfolio. This is the doorway to the activity you're looking for. If you don't see it immediately, check the bottom toolbar on mobile or the left navigation panel on desktop. Now scroll down within this section. You're looking for the area that shows your recent activity and account actions. On mobile, swipe up. On desktop, use your mouse wheel or trackpad. Don't worry if you pass it. Just scroll back until you find the activity module that contains your past and current orders. Select History. This opens the full log of events tied to your account. Here, Trading 212 groups your actions, including executed trades, dividends, and most importantly, pending orders. The interface may show filters or tabs. Look for a pending view or a way to toggle to items that haven't executed yet. In the History area, you'll see the pending section if you have any trades waiting. Each entry typically displays the instrument, order type, quantity, and the condition that must be met, such as a target price or the next market open. You can select an order to view more detail. If nothing appears under pending, that means you currently have no unfilled orders. If markets are closed, remember that eligible market orders may remain queued until the next session. That's it. Open Trading 212, tap the pie icon, scroll to find history,